What is up, everybody? Welcome into the Cycle Drag Garage once again. I'm your boy Jack Corpella, and what do we have here? I want to thank all these e-bike companies. They keep sending me bikes to review, and this one, I've heard a lot of good things about this company, TST. Didn't AC/DC make a song about that? TST, I think they did. But, honestly, I've heard these are really, really good bikes that don't take up a ton of space. So I'm excited to get this sucker open. And remember, if you have not watched all of our bike reviews, peruse this channel and check them out. Now, what we like to do in the beginning, we always grade them on packing because I don't want to mention any names, but I think it was a couple years ago, I got one that was damaged before it even got here. That's not good. But take a look at this. Come take a look at this right here. I would say so far, we're passing some serious tests initially. Box of goodies, lots of foam. This is important, guys, because think about it. When you order from one of these manufacturers, the biggest buzzkill in the world is to get a bike that's damaged, smashed, and if you're a perfectionist like me, you just don't even want one speck of paint off the frame. And it looks like this one's packaged very, very well. So speaking of specking off the frame, we don't want our KZ1000 to get damaged, so we'll get this one over here. Let me use my SP Tools X-Acto knife. Here it is. And we'll get this baby open. And by the way, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday. I hope Santa brought everything you wanted. I know these e-bikes have been just about everything that I've wanted. There's been some really good ones. There's been some surprises here. I always say, like it or not, electric is here. It's coming. These e-bikes, quite a bit different than the bikes that we used to run when we were kids. And let's see. Get that started. You don't have to open it this way, but I just like to open it this way for the big reveal. Not that big of a reveal. What did I say about the... Make sure that one would have been on me. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, there we go. That's what I was trying to do. Nice. This one a little bit more compact, I can tell, than some of the other ones. I know it has full suspension. We're going to give it the weight test. If I can pick it up like this. Oh, yes, I can. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's get this baby. Let's get this baby on the rug, and we will start our assembly. We'll start stripping her down, but I must say right away, this might be one of the lightest e-bikes that we have reviewed so far. So, cool. I like it. Power to weight ratio. We know that's important. Let's get to work. I got to say, guys, okay, we got it charged up. We got it put together. I want to give TST a shout out, too, because of all the e-bikes I put together, this one was fairly easy. Didn't take that much time. I also want to give the gentleman a shout out who has an instruction video on YouTube. That was very helpful. So no need for me to do it again. You guys can all refer to that video. But really, really no problems. I mean, they give you tools, which are great. You can also, I use some of my SP tools. There's some situations where ratchet in a socket might be helpful. But other than that, awesome. The one thing, I will tell you this. If you're watching this video and you didn't watch the assembly, here's the trick. Make sure this piece, you have to flip it 180 degrees. You have to flip it upside down. Though it must be something that they do to make it shorter to ship it or to fit everything inside the box. So you will not be able to fit the handlebars unless you proceed that way. But it's time to go have some fun on this thing. Let's try it out. It is go time. It is show time, and it's a beautiful day for it. This bike too, I don't know if you guys grew up with BMX bikes like me. I had an old Dyno Air. I rode the wheels off that thing. This is a similar size. I had a Schwinn BMX bike. This one, if you're looking for something that's not going to take up quite as much room, or if you're a little bit on the shorter side, or for a child perhaps, this might be just what the doctor ordered. Now I'm going to power it on right now. So you can see the dash comes on. Still got the protective plastic on there. And we're in zero power. What the cool thing is, which I always tell people, if you're just trying these out for the first time, just get on it like a regular bicycle. Woo! It's comfortable. Cause I'm TST. I'm Dynamite. Sorry, AC/DC. All right, now let's get some power on this baby. We'll hit the plus arrow. Let's see what you got in first gear. Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Second gear, really, the most comfortable seat. This reminds me of my Kawasaki KZ LTD seat. Bench seat. Let's go hit the juice. Helmet always recommended, kids. Third, fourth, fifth, 5-speed, up to 5th gear. Here we go. Wow. Whoa! Let's give this baby a brake test. Brake test. 5th gear, 5th gear, 5th gear, and nice brakes. I mean this in all sincerity. I am not just blowing smoke off up this beautiful company's you know what. That's the best brakes I've felt on an e-bike so far. Whoa, man. There's some, not gonna mention any names, you can't make skid. That was awesome, man. I like this thing. This is a solid piece. Skidding's a good thing. Really comfortable, stable. Feels good. Good brakes. I don't know, TST. I don't know what kind of brakes you have on this thing, but you might want to get some of these other e-bike companies to get on board with that. All right. Well, thank you very much. I must say, you know, this bike, obviously, if you're looking to go long distances, just like we would say with a mountain bike or a road bike, you want to get yourself a bigger bike. If you're looking to go around town and just have some fun and ride this thing like you would ride a BMX bike, I mean, heck, we used to take our BMX bikes 20, 30 miles away. You could definitely ride this that far. Very comfortable. The components are high end. I like it. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to put a link down below for you. And you have to let me know what you think. We're always going to try to save you some money. Let me know your thoughts too on e-bikes in general. We're seeing so many more of them. It's just absolutely amazing that I think in a couple years there's going to be probably hundreds more companies than there are now. And remember, as of now, depending on your state law, if it's got pedals, it's a bicycle. You don't need a tag, don't need a license plate, and that's a beautiful thing because this thing is fast and it's fun. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Let me know what you think about TST Dynamite R002. You know, if there's anything fast racing or e-bikes, Racing Jack has got your back. Get that link down below.